Behind me is the end of Bosporus. Not on the old city way, Marmaris or the Princess Island way. It's on the other side where is Bulgaria and Crimea in the other side. And that is actually the end of Bosporus. And on that side it's Black Sea. So guys, this is our breakfast. Breakfast for four.
It's made of corn flour
And cheese.
and cheese. This is father of Azlan, so you go closer.
Azi, I'm sorry. Bye, I'm sorry.
So I always wanted to come to this bridge but never got to. But this is quite far out. Like we come from that breakfast place and this is somewhere. But let's pray for everybody or those like Palestine, Kashmir, Iran, Iraq, Syria and the whole world at the moment is going through a lot of tough time. May Allah just bring peace to the world, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum and good morning from the beautiful Istanbul. जी हाँ, आज सुबह का आगाज़ हम करेंगे from going to see Mohammed and Aysu, you know, my Turkish friends, and we will be going to some amazing places which has not been discovered by ourselves before in Istanbul, which are, I should say, hidden gems, or they're far from the chaotic Istanbul. So come and join us in this episode to see the most amazing places in Istanbul, and do not forget to subscribe if you haven't, so you do not miss any of my upcoming videos from this series. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Mashup Travel, guys. Ji haan, I am in a new country, not a new country but a new adventure. We are in Istanbul. It's February the 2nd. We are in Istanbul and alhamdulillah, the weather is really good. If you do not know what's behind me is the end of Bosporus. Not on the old city way, Marmaris or the Princess Island way. It's on the other side where is Bulgaria and Crimea in the other side, and that is actually the end of Bosporus, and on that side it's Black Sea. Actually, we reached here last night. You know, we have some good friends living in Istanbul. They picked us up from the airport. I will be taking you to more traditional places, or more like places where locals eat and locals go. Maybe the ones which are not discovered by other people, like what we usually call is hidden gems. So the hidden gems of Istanbul, I will be taking you. This place is quite far out. I will be showing you the third bridge as well, which is the Sultan Selim Bridge, which nobody usually sees if you are a tourist. And we are here at the really beautiful place for a breakfast. Like we all know, Turkish breakfast is very famous, and we are here for a special breakfast with my friends. I just wanted to see some unusual places which usually people do not come to. So this is a place where none of the tourists actually come here. So this is the place behind me. Kitty. I see cats. Oh my god, beautiful cats around. Oh, you know what? I've given them some treats. They're just following me everywhere. Oh, that is so cute. So much cute. So let's see where they have set a table for us. And beautiful place. I'm gonna introduce you to my friends as you know them from before. Mohammed Koçlay and Aysun Koçlay. So they are hosting us. Let's see what they can sell of Istanbul to us. Like not the touristy stuff, but the unusual local stuff. So yes, and we know who else is with me like always. There's Joff. So we are gonna do our breakfast. So guys, this is our breakfast. Breakfast for four.
There are some other stuff will come.
And the hot stuff, more stuff is coming. It's unlimited. Oh, so there are the teas, chai, the salads, and the jams, and there is the more stuff. There's like borak or gozleme, is it? No, the omelets. We would have had Turkish breakfast in Toronto. It was nice. Thank you. Paratha jab. It's a paratha. The omelets. This is the speciality of the Black Sea region.
It's made of corn flour
And cheese.
and cheese and butter. It's tasty stuff, Shari.
Pancakes, honey. That's another type of cheese. Olives, the Nutella. And these are cheese-filled boraks. Borak it's called. I got here. Is this the same? So yeah, देखिए. So how you usually do this? You just put some cheese on and some of the jam. And guess what? There's some pancakes as well. This is, आप इसको पराठा भी कह सकते हैं. Borak with like cheese inside and your tea. जी guys, तो हमारा नाश्ता हो गया है. It was brilliant. We really loved the breakfast. Really like, as we saw, there are small items made in little plates and everything is very filling, and we are probably done for the day. And inshallah we will be eating something in the evening. It's Friday today, so we're going to go for a Friday prayer, but we won't be going to one of the big mosques. It's going to be a really small mosque near this restaurant. Oh.
Try to have it.
But you do need water after that because it does leave a residue in your throat.
I like this taste in my throat, Charlie.
Yeah.
So that is the traditional way to have the coffee.
Common that after having coffee they turn it around. And
So that means it's finished.
Reading not tea leaves, but coffee.
I thought it means no. I was still having mine. Where is mine gone?
Yours is this one, Rifat.
I was still having it.
Okay, we are walking.
Oh, cemetery भी है यहाँ पे. Assalamualaikum ya ahlul Kabur. We are walking to there. वहाँ पे मस्जिद है, वहाँ पे जुमा पढ़ेंगे, नमाज पढ़ेंगे सब इंशाल्लाह. यहाँ के कब्रिस्तान इस तरह होते हैं. This is how it is. There is one mosque is here. और एक वो है, two mosques next to each other. ये जगह चेक करें. Check this out. It's the lighthouse. देखने को ऐसा लग रहा है किसी मस्जिद का या चर्च का मीनार है. Because it looked better from far away. अब हम इसके पास आ गए. Me and Aisu, the boys, have gone to do the Juma because it's a local mosque. I don't think women usually go there, so we're gonna leave that. Harbour के पास आ गए. We're just gonna walk around here, around this area. As I said, the weather is quite nice. So yeah, there is that thing behind me. There देखें. And me and Aisu walking. Yes, a nice place. You know what? We both have a language barrier. She doesn't know English or Urdu, and I don't much know Turkish. So, mashallah, what a beautiful view. There is the third bridge behind me, if you can see them pillars. And we will be seeing that bridge, inshallah, from near as well. From paas se dekhenge isko. So, yeah, let's go and see where Aisu's gone. किधर चली गई? There she is. So guys, you know them black rocks behind me? They are called clashing rocks. है ये इनकी भी बड़ी एक स्टोरी है रोमन हिस्ट्री में कि ये ना सेकंड सेंचुरी में यहाँ पे पहली दफ़ा एक बुक लिखी गई थी जो कि थी अबाउट द बॉस्फरस स्ट्रेट और उसके अंदर इन जगहों का जिक्र है एंड दिस इज़ वेयर वी आर एट द मोमेंट इफ़ यू सी दिस इज़ द लाइक ओल्ड सिटी साइड दिस इज़ द ब्लैक सी रीजन और ये यहाँ पे ना clash हुए थे ये पत्थर और they are just sitting there now like you know there are some big ones and then there are smaller ones as well and इनको निशानी के तौर पे ये भी समझा जाता था if you want to go past them and if send a pigeon through it and if the pigeons can go through because of the winds and everything so can you if the pigeon comes back it's not safe to go past them or between them so that you have to return so ये इसकी छोटी छोटी सी कहानियाँ फिर there is another rock on top of it मगर zoom in करूँ थोड़ा सा there's that white one on top ठीक है ये इसकी स्टोरी है कि ये जो था ना ये स्टोन is this is how it looks this is how it looks today but that used to look like that this is how the view of volcanic stones there right and this is the Black Sea and that is just a little part which is the Bosphorus Strait and this is a little harbor as we already seen a few times I've showed you and there is that Sultan Selim Bridge nice and quiet and peaceful place away from all the chaotic Istanbul even though it has its own charm the chaotic Istanbul but this is a place जुमा ख़त्म हो गया तो यहाँ से लोग निकल रहे हैं अपनी अपनी शॉपिंग्स करेंगे फ्रूट्स लिए हैं कोई लोकल चीज़ें अपनी चीज़ वगैरह की वैन लगी हुई है सुजुक वगैरह सो हम जा रहे हैं मस्जिद की तरफ टू गेट अवर मैन where they are देखा वो वाला बेचारा he is not eating anything this is the one I want to eat look at that this one been following us all the way because you know I fed them that one is Mohammed looks very ill look at them that's the food I put in the treats look at that one he's come down now he's very weak he just because I think they fight each other as well oh look at that one no baby there's some food there's the food eat that oh, look at him
This is father of Azlan, so you go close to him.
Azzy, I'm sorry. Bhai, I'm sorry.
Hey guys, so this is the last village of Istanbul called Rumeli Feneli और इसके बाद ब्लैक सी शुरू हो जाता है मुल्क ख़त्म हो गया आफ्टर द ब्लैक सी इट इज़ रशिया it is nice and quiet place as I've already said and we quite enjoyed our trip here and let's go to the next destination ये देखे ज़रा गाइस आज तो ये ना वो सूखी हजीरें नहीं होती हम लोग पाकिस्तान में होती हैं हजीरा सूखी हैं यहाँ तो दे आर ड्राइंग the figs but it's just wood it's just a style and design He's मेरे पास ही बैठ के they don't want to leave me alone now अब बेचारे पता नहीं look at him he's smelling me cutie pies. No. मुर्गे भी आ गए मुर्गे भी Oh God. मेरे पास ही आके बैठ गए मैंने stop giving them food Guys, as you know, in Istanbul, you have seen the 2 bridges on the Bosphorus, and this is the 3rd bridge you may not be aware of. But this was built in 2012 to 2016. It took 4 years to build, and it's named under the Yavuz Sultan Selim, who was the father of Sultan Suleiman the Magnificent. He also known for conquering Egypt, and he brought all the sacred relics from Egypt into the Payataht, what you call it. And
When he come from Egypt, he succeeded big thing,
great success. Yeah.
But he didn't come to Istanbul in the daylight. He didn't want everybody's applauding him. He came to Istanbul after sunset, so nobody would see him and make his pride and ego is big.
Yes.
He came to Istanbul in the night.
Yeah,
There's something.
so they were very humble in their ways, the Ottomans, right? So this is memory, or I should say in the memory of Sultan Selim. So I always wanted to come to this bridge but never got to. But this is quite far out, like we come from that breakfast place and this is somewhere on the way back, and you can see all around. That's the Asian side of Istanbul, and you can see the European side buildings on that side. Nice beautiful view, and you can see all the ships in Bosphorus. That's probably going to Russia. Probably maybe Russia, Ukraine. Yeah, so it's a nice place to come if you want to escape the chaos of Istanbul city. And if it's not your first trip to Istanbul, I would say try to explore the areas outside Istanbul which are less busy, and you really enjoy it. It's really good seeing some of the things we've never seen before, and it's not as busy as the chaotic Istanbul, but Istanbul is love. And guys, while we are here, look at this thing. Ye kabristan nahi hai, it's not a graveyard, but it's a memorial. Another thing, the memorial is for the people who were martyred. They are not government people, but they are local, like just normal. क्या कहते हैं अवाम है.
There are 2 our neighbors, Javed.
Oh, your neighbours here.
Oh yeah, who were martyred on the 15th of July. उनकी याद में यहाँ पे एक memorial बनाया गया है with their names and their date of birth, and it's probably about how what happened to them maybe. And as Muhammad said, there are 2 of your neighbors here. Do you know which ones it is, their memorial, or?
One of these. There is 251 in this.
Oh wow, 251 memorials. So the martyrs, may Allah grant them highest ranks in Jannah, and may this type of thing never happens to anybody.
This guy used to be police.
Like, yeah. So guys, ये है हमारा सुल्तान सलीम ब्रिज और the memorial of the शोहदा of 15th of July जो हुआ था 2016. इस summer में it's going to be 8 years since that's happened, but the effect is always there. एज टूरिस्ट हमें इतना नहीं पता चलता, मगर जो लोकल लोग हैं ना, उनको इस चीज़ का काफ़ी असर होता है और उनको पता होता है उनके ऊपर क्या इफेक्ट हुए हैं क्या नहीं. बट लेट्स प्रे फॉर एवरीबॉडी. और जो से मुल्क लाइक पैलेस्टाइन, कश्मीर, ईरान, इराक, सीरिया एंड द होल वर्ल्ड एट द मोमेंट इज गोइंग थ्रू अ लॉट ऑफ टफ टाइम. मे अल्लाह just bring peace to the world, inshallah. तो चलते हैं to our next destination.
This tunnels makes Istanbul traffic ease.
Okay.
If this wasn't there, it would be very difficult to go from one part to other part.
So guys, our day doesn't finish here. there was another place we visited, which I will be showing you in my next episode. So if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe so you do not miss any of my upcoming videos, and do not forget to press the red icon so you are the first ones to notified whenever I upload. And do not forget to share with your friends and family who may be interested in these videos as well. चलें तो फिर मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में अगली नई जगह जो होगा हमारा Venezia Mall. Venezia Mall is one of a very good beautiful malls in Istanbul, and I will be showing you around. और इसके बारे में एक और video I already have in my previous Istanbul trips. If you haven't watched, you can go and watch that video as well. So I will see you next time. See you. Allah Hafiz.